welcome to Dream Bag Lady. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Dream Bag Lady, and on YouTube. Subscribe to our channel and we'll be having unboxing every single week. So I went to the LV store to pick up something small, and look at this. They have the new Game On packaging. It's the talk of the town. Everyone's been talking about the new cruise. Look at that. Now I didn't get to pick up any Game On yet, but I picked up something else, and they came with that packaging. So I got a small item from the men's collection. I know, men's collection. I shop there. Look at this. It's a pocket organizer. Now this is only available in the men's collection. This combination does not available in the women's collection. Look at that. Bright, bright orange. Beautiful. Front and back. There's a slot here for you to put in some more cards. See that? Beautiful. I love this color. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram, Dream Bag Lady. Don't forget, it's down the link below. Bye.